and sticks to my tongue. Oh, that is a terrible feeling. I find cleavers very easy to identify because they have this long length of stem between where the rows of leaves attach to it. The stem itself is a square shape, and it's covered in spines which attach to everything. As the plants get older, they get kind of wrapped up in all the other plants. This one's wrapped around some garlic mustard, so it can sometimes make it hard to parse it out from the other plants, but their long, thin leaves really stand out. Cleavers is high in vitamin C and chlorophyll, which makes it incredibly healthy, but since it even sticks to my lip, it's not the kind of plant that you want to eat raw. The best way to eat it is to either juice it or put it in a smoothie and blend it up really well.
It has a very green, a healthy tasting flavor, and I absolutely love it. Sometimes though, you get the little strings that get stuck in your teeth, and they're very fibery, so I just spit them out. All I added to the smoothie was frozen blueberries, banana, and the cleavers along with a little water, and super delicious.